Hello and welcome to your Pilates and Somatic Full Body Flow. I'm Jaz and I'm so delighted you are joining me today for this session. Make sure you have plenty of space and are on comfortable ground. Let's begin. Come meet me on your back with your knees bent, moving your torso around and just get comfortable. Soften your shoulders, soften your face and your breath. And just begin to tune into this practice by noticing all the parts of your body that are touching the ground. And tune in each of your individual breaths, really feeling each of your exhales. Try to breathe in and out of your nose if you can. And just soften the space around your eyes. Begin to rock your pelvis back and forth, making a really big arch with your lower back, and then flatten your spine completely onto your mat. And just moving in between these two poses, noticing where you feel the stretch as you arch your spine and also as you flatten, using your own breath to move your body. Now I want you to roll up, so bring your pelvis and your back off your mat. So gentle breath in as you breathe out. Begin to gently lift your lower, your middle and upper spine off your mat. Gentle breath in and breathe out, slowly pressing your spine back onto your mat. Rocking your pelvis as you get to the bottom, arching your lower back. And then gently, when you're ready, coming all the way up, lift your pelvis up, your lower spine, your middle and your upper. Staying here, you can have your hands on your hips if you need to, and you can lift your heels up and then begin to drop your pelvis towards the ground and then back up. So little pulses here, engaging all the muscles in your legs and your glutes. And 8 more. And 7, 6, keep breathing. 5, 4 more. 3, 2, and 1 more. Bring your pelvis up, your heels down, and then gently rolling all the way back down onto your mat. Press your lower back onto your mat. Lift your head and shoulders up, one leg at a time up to tabletop, and then one knee in towards your chest, the other leg straight. Cusping your hands onto your shin, and then swapping over, bending your other knee into your chest, other leg straight. Keeping your core nice and engaged, and breathing. And 10 more. And 9, 8, keep your lower spine flat on your mat, and 6 more, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Keep both your legs up into tabletop, your hands behind your head. Try to come up a little bit high and hold, keeping your core engaged, and then moving your legs just a little bit forward and then back. Just 6 more. And 4 more. Doing great. And 3, 2, 1 more. And coming up, holding, and then gently release. Bring your legs down, Extend your legs out, your arms over your head, just stretch out your front body. Great work. And then gently roll onto your side, coming up onto your hands and knees. And extending your left leg out behind and straight. And then begin to draw half circles, so out to the side and then back behind you. And out to the side and back. So 8 more. Keeping your core engaged. And 4. And 3. 2. And last one. Bring that knee back in. Now extend your right leg out. Make sure you're not collapsing in your shoulders. And then bring your leg to the side and then back to behind you. Engaging the leg muscles. And 4 more. 3, 2, and last one. Beautiful. Now take your hands a little bit forward. So we're going to tuck your toes under, engaging your core. Make sure you've got nice and anchored in your hands. Now lifting your knees up, holding here, looking down between your hands. And then gently drop your knees down. And now we're going to do a push-up. So breathe in as you go towards the mat, and then breathe out as you're coming back up. Tuck your toes under, lift your knees up, hold. Gentle breaths. Dropping your knees, elbows in, and breathe out. 3 more. Tuck your toes in, bring your knees up, holding here. Breathe out completely before you breathe in again. And let's do a push-up together. So breathe in and out. 2 more. We've got this. Knees up, holding. Knees down. Come up into a push-up and breathe out as you're coming up. Beautiful. Last one. Knees up, holding. Just a little bit longer. Engaging all the muscles in your beautiful body. Knees down, last push-up, so breathe in and breathe out. Great. Take your knees out to the side, lean back. Head resting onto your mat, relaxing your lower back, relaxing your breath. And then come meet me on laying down on your front body. Hands, elbows are bent, your hands by your side. You can take your legs wide to relieve your lower back. Your head resting on your mat. Engaging your core. Breathe in as you lift your head, arms up. Now look over to your left and your right leg goes up. Breathe in as you bring everything back down. Breathe in, looking over to your right, your left leg goes up. And then gently back down. So doing a few of these on your own, so looking the opposite direction as you lift the leg up, relaxing your shoulders, keeping your core engaged. Four more. And 3. And 2 more. And last one. Bring everything down, just wiggle your pelvis from side to side, bringing some relief. Using your hands to come back into all fours, just doing a nice cat-cow. So chin up, looking straight ahead. And then gently reversing it, looking at your legs, your spine up. And using the breath to move your body. Enjoying all the benefits of this beautiful stretch, this beautiful movement. Just one more in each direction. And then gently releasing. Come meet me sitting down, bending your right leg forward, your left leg behind, so in like a Z shape. Your right arm behind you, close to your body, and your left hand onto your right shoulder. Coming up nice and tall, gentle breath in, and then begin to rotate your body to your right. Looking over your shoulder, just notice what you can see. And then breathe in, using your eyes to gently move your body towards the left. Looking over your shoulder. Notice what you can see. Noticing the stretch in your neck. And then gently begin to rotate to your right. Maybe this time you can look at something else, just noticing. And then gently last time to your left. Notice the sensations in your hip and how you're using your abdominal muscles, your core, to twist. And then gently releasing. Release, letting go of this, and let's swap over. So your left leg is bent to the front, right leg behind. Your left leg behind your body. Your right arm on your left side. Gentle breath in, begin to rotate to your left. And then using your breath and your eyes to move your body to your right. This side might work a little bit different. Notice what you're looking at. And then gently taking your time to go to your left. Notice now what you can see. And then gently last time to your right. And then coming back to center. And just come into a comfortable seated position. Hands resting by your body or by your side, softening your shoulders and your face. And just taking a moment to notice any new energy in your body and in your mind. Gentle breath. Your hands by your side. Gentle breath in, bring your arms up. And then breathe out, just gently release, bringing your arms back down. One more time, gentle breath in, stretch. And then breathe out, release. Thank you so much for joining me in this session. I hope you liked it, and I look forward to seeing you soon.